Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for the coming week. Like I said, I've stopped putting dates to my readings because people tend to expect things to happen in that particular time, and I keep telling you that time is fluid in tarot. Things might happen at their own pace before, after, or even a little later. So please take it as it resonates with you. Let's see what your coming week has. So, what you don't see is that you are trying to change your perspective about somebody or about a situation. What you are doing is that you have options, you have a lot of giving energy right now, and the kind of offer you are getting are not very exciting. And you are losing sleep over something, you're not very happy about something. Let me clarify all the cards and see. You are in a very generous frame of mind. I think your angels are guiding you to be nice to everybody. What you don't see coming is the offer from a person who's very fiery, who's very could be younger than you, who has everything. I think, but right now you are not in that zone. I think you are not getting that internal go ahead to go towards that person. Let me see what the offer is. Okay, so now why you don't like this offer is that you feel that Emperor is your energy, you feel you deserve much more. This is a breadcrumbing thing happened to you. This is somebody who is keeping you in a third party which you might not know about, and is asking you to work a little harder, more harder than them. There is a certain imbalance which is there. Let's see what you're losing sleep over. You're losing sleep over certain person from the past who actually you had a very good connection with, very nice give and take, equal give and take, but somehow it just became a burden at the end of the day. And I think you thought that if you see this woman taming a lion, you felt that you have achieved this relationship is just final one, but somehow it became a burden. Somehow it turned out to be not what you thought it to be, and that's why you're losing sleep over. Even that's why maybe you don't see the offers that you have around you. Let me clarify this with major arcana cards. All right. A lot of hidden emotions, a lot of changes. So Fool and Chariot are very good major arcana cards, Pisces, but there's a lot of hidden from you. Either you are hiding things or they are hiding things, but I think that you have to get over this moon energy, either of you, and things will start moving very quickly. You or this person will be wanting to take very quick actions, and change is incoming fast. Let me see some love messages for you. Alright, forgive. So the first message that came out for you was to forgive. So forgive a past person, because I think that's why I think heavy emotions it came on the moon card. So you're carrying a lot of grudges from the past. You'll find what you seek. So the kind of love you're looking for, you will find it, provided you forgive and move on. It's not only about being right. So like I said, don't keep on proving a point to somebody that yes, you were wrong, say that you were wrong, prove, I will prove it to you. Don't do that. Forgive and move on, because good things are ahead waiting for you. So there is no point in wasting your time in these trivial matters. I think good things are waiting for you, but you need to let go of the past energies to move on. Let me see how you can handle it. So whatever religion you follow, it will guide you. They say that if you don't find answers outside, even if you read a Gita, Bible, Quran, or whatever religion you follow, you will find answers in the scriptures. Devotion, the sense of devotion and being steady. So whatever you do, just do it steadily. Don't change the craft too much. Devote your energy to whosoever you are interested in. Be a devoted person towards your cause, a person, or a whatever you are going towards. This is your message, and believe in the universe. That's all I have for you this week, and I'll see you next week.